He loves it. Because their fur is so dense, they can't get wet, or otherwise it won't, like they can't dry, so it'll just get moldy, so they have to take these dust baths.
Oh.
Look at you, I knew you always wanted to be famous. He's loving it. Show your face. Come here. Show your face. Alrighty.
Good.
Ready to go back, Oliver? Go back. Good boy.
See if he'll just shake off or
Yeah.
just fall off.
No, he'll shake a lot of it off. But yeah, a lot will fall off as well.